I'm going to demonstrate some ways to arrange buttons on the screen for your app with App Inventor. And we'll start with what happens when you normally drag and drop buttons on the screen. They will line up vertically like this. But suppose you want a horizontal toolbar. Then you go to the layout section and you can drag out a horizontal arrangement and drop your buttons inside. And that lines them up nicely. But in this example, they are left aligned on the screen. Something you can do to improve that would be to go to the screen and then center, which would center that horizontal screen arrangement. And this looks good if that's what you want. Suppose I don't want this extra space on the outside. Then I would select my horizontal screen arrangement and I would set it to fill parent. Now I have the area filled, but my buttons aren't spaced properly. They're left aligned. Well, in the horizontal arrangement, you can choose center and center your buttons that way. But we're really back where we were before. We want these buttons pushed to the outside margins. So in order to do that, there's a neat little trick you can use by taking a label and inserting that label in between the buttons. The label is a very versatile component because you can use this for formatting your output and setting up borders around different components on the screen. So what I've done is I've removed the text from the label, and I just want this to be a spacer, so I will set it to fill parent. I want it to push those buttons to the outside margin. And we will see that in the emulator as soon as it's updated. It's updating right now. And there they are. They've been pushed to the edge. Now we'll go back and let's look at another thing that we can do with spacing. We can add another button. And we can remove that component, label component. And let's say we have, this would be, button 1 would be 1, button 2 would be 2, button 3 would be 3. Okay. You'll see this update on the emulator. I don't have the fastest computer, so it's a bit slow doing the updating. What I'm trying to describe here is how you can take the buttons and space them out evenly. And we have 3 buttons, 3 different widths, 1, 2, 3. Suppose we want all 3 buttons to fill the area for our toolbar. All we have to do is set each button to fill parent. So I'm going to do that now. caption window doesn't show the OK button, but I'm clicking the OK button under Fill Parent. So now we have our 3 buttons spaced evenly on our toolbar. So that would be it for basic formatting. Waiting for the emulator to update. And there we have it. 1, 2, 3.